Now let's talk about the phone's bod. Introducing the iPhone 15 Plus, slim, stylish, and a little heavy at 201 grams. It's 160.9 by 77.8 by 7.8 millimeters of pure elegance. Now let's meet the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. The slim champ at 157.8 by 76.2 by 7.6 millimeters and a weight of 196 grams. Size doesn't matter. It's all about the skills. Now onto the visual treats. iPhone 15 Plus, Super Retina XDR OLED, S23 Plus, Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Both flex at 120 Hz, but the iPhone wins the pixel battle with mind-blowing 1290 by 2796 pixels. Samsung's got game too, with a solid 1080 by 2340 pixels. Brains battle. iPhone 15 Plus rocks iOS 17, S23 Plus flaunts Android 13 plus One UI 5.1. Apple's A16 Bionic and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset go head-to-head. It's like a robot chess showdown. Yo, the iPhone Plus got 6 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB. It's a memory monster. Meanwhile, the S23 Plus rocks 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 256 GB or 512 GB. It's like picking between a snuggly pad and a fancy sky-high crib. Alright, lens time, iPhone 15 Plus, 48 MP wide, 12 MP ultra wide. S23 Plus, 50 MP wide, 10 MP telephoto, 12 MP ultra wide. Cameras battle, who's got the bigger pixels? Get ready to have your world captured in mind-blowing detail. Cheese. Please, iPhones 15 Plus and S23 Plus have 12 MP selfie cams, but they're no joke. Both shoot epic 4K vids, so your vlog game is on point no matter which squad you're repping. Party with dual speakers on both phones, but no headphone jack in sight. Let's get fancy with wireless headphones. Wi-Fi, more like Wi-Fi because it always seems to disappear when you need it the most. Wireless tooth, they've got everything. iPhone 15 Plus has Wi-Fi 6, but S23 Plus goes all out with Wi-Fi 6E. You're always linked, no matter where you are. Sensors all around. We've got it all: Face ID, accelerometers, gyroscopes, proximity sensors, compasses, and barometers. All aboard the tech train. Oh, and the S23 Plus has a fancy hidden fingerprint sensor. Time for the juice. The iPhone 15 Plus has a 4,383 mAh battery, but the S23 Plus is like boom with a 4,700 mAh battery. Wait times for power. iPhone 15 goes zoom to 50% in just 30 minutes with a 20 watts charger, while the S23 Plus is all like, I'm all about that. 45 watts wired charging, baby. Buckle up, folks! Fashion finale, iPhone 15 Plus. Black, blue, green, yellow, pink, Samsung's S23 Plus comes in all the cool colors. Lime, graphite green, phantom black, green, lavender cream. Phone for every outfit, fashionably connected. And now, the big reveal, the prices. iPhone 15 Plus, $899 for 128 GB, 6 GB, $1,199 for 512 GB, 6 GB. Get the S23 Plus for a steal, $899 for 256 GB, 8 GB, or $1,019 for 512 GB, 8 GB. Vila folks, iPhone 15 Plus versus Galaxy S23 Plus. Epic duel, what tech tickles you? Comment below and subscribe for brilliant tech showdowns on DigiDuelers. May your battery last and your apps be speedy.